what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thank you for watching Brenspeed TV. What do you think? 600 rear wheel horsepower, 500 torque across the board. Tell you what, subscribe to this channel if you like videos like this. That's going to stay up to date. Hit that notify button and I'll let you know every time I release a new video. Let's look at the dyno graph. I'm going to show you what is under the hood of this 2011 automatic Mustang. Look at this. This is why I'm really excited. 605 to the tires, SAE, 505 torque. As always, you know I love it across the board. Torque's always across the board in these superchargers. 2011 automatic Mustang. Let's see what it has. So this is our 5-liter Webster engine. This car has 105,000 miles. So we started with a good foundation to build power. So it has our 5-liter Webster built engine. I'll leave a link in the description so you can read more about it. And our Edelbrock Supercharger on there. It's got the cold air intake. Now this is more like our stage 3 package, all right? This isn't a super high boost package. It's our stage 3. Still runs a 47-pound injectors. This is a fuel pump upgrade, but this has a lot of room for growth. You know, we're at 605 to the tires right now. Car like this, probably with the right fuel and the right boost, we're getting up that 700 range, but he's taking in steps. So right now, it's making about 600, and again, torque across the board. If you wonder how much something like this costs to get installed, just email quote@brenspeed.com. I'm gonna put some links in the descriptions of other videos I made. I used to have the same car, but as a 12, had the Edelbrock, and it ran 1090s on a stock engine with like an X-pipe and one of these packages. We have another video put in the description as well. It's a 13 or 14 green car, and that one ran 1070s, again, stock engine car. So this does have our built engine, but that's basically for in the future. So he's gonna be able to get bigger injectors, that's gonna be next. And more boost, that's gonna be next. And this car is gonna be killer. So leave a comment if you have questions. Again, email quote@brenspeed.com if you wonder how much this costs to get installed. You wonder about a Webster, you can always call us, 574-594-9559. And don't forget, we have free shipping to the 48 states, shopping at brenspeed.com. Thank you for watching.